Hello, this is installing Windows Server 2008 R2. First, put the bootable flash drive in the system unit. Press the power button and press F2 or delete. Click the boot menu F8 and select your flash drive like General UDIS. That's my flash drive. Press any key. This way it's starting. Then this will appear. Make sure that from you is English. Then install now. Select only the Windows Server 2008 R2 standard. Then select next. Then check the I accept the license terms. Next. Custom. Delete all drivers. Then select new times 50. Then put the results. Apply. Okay. Select the drive O unallocated space. New. Apply. And select the drivers. Partition 2. Next. Don't press any key until the installation are not done. You restart, but do not press any key. This will happen if done starting. And setup is preparing for a computer. Don't press any key, just wait until the administrator installation done. Don't press any key. And this will be appear to you. Click X or OK. That is okay. Click. And this will be appear. After you okay, you can create your own or your new administrator password. Click the arrow or enter. Will be changing password, then okay. Click the okay. Welcome. And this will be happen if your installation done.